So recently I've been working on Blender and I ended up creating this little add-on to help me do a few things a little bit easier. For now it's just these two tools here. Okay, say you have a quad mesh like this, so you can hold out and click and select edge loops like this. But sometimes you don't have this original mesh, right? Sometimes you get this from a game engine, for example, and it's already triangulated like this. So in this case you can't do that. You can hold out like this and it doesn't select your loops anymore. And of course you could convert this into quads again, but there's like an ambiguity here and you're not really guaranteed to get the original mesh anyway. So I made this tool so I can select the loops in this type of mesh, right? So you can just click here and click this button and it will try to select the loops based on the angles of these edges. This is not necessarily gonna work in every case. If the topology is messed up, for example, it might not select the edges that you're expecting. But in a lot of cases, this is probably gonna work just fine. Okay, so the second tool that I did is this one. It's just a helper to allow me to paint over these edges quickly. So say I have an edge loop here in a material with a texture already assigned and the UV layout already done. I can select my texture here or use the active one and select the UV map here, change the thickness and the color over here and paint over these edges like this. And it also works on individual vertices too. Okay, so for now these are the tools that I have here. I'm probably gonna add more things later. And you can get this on Gumroad for free. I'll put the link in the description. So yeah, I hope you find this useful. Bye bye.